This is my best YouTube video idea ever. I guarantee it will help you get a ton of views and subscribers. Check this out. I'm going to start with a question. Want high RPM? It's a quick shot of a map of the world. The RPM is higher when you can target all countries, which means more money for you. So one simple trick can help you do exactly that. So stay till the end because I'm going to show you how. Here's what you can do. You can leverage AI scripting, AI voiceover, AI subtitles. That's right. You don't have to record anything yourself. You don't have to show your face either. And you can actually use any language you want. This opens the door to such a massive audience because you can translate it. Let me explain why this works so well. Let's talk about the countries with the highest RPM. First, we got the United States, then the United Kingdom, followed by Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and then Japan and Germany. But there's a catch. It's not just about the country. It's also about the topic. It's gaming, finance, business. They tend to pay better. And guess what? This trick works across all those industries. Let's go. All right, here's how it works. Number 1, AI scripting. Here's an example. Just enter your keywords and boom, it spits out a detailed script. You can use ChatGPT to write scripts. It's free. Super easy to use. You know what's cool? If you want to save time, you can even get templates. Check this out. Video ideas, video outlines, hooks, even video intros and outros. It's all there. I mean, look at that. This is a gold mine. Now, let me show you something interesting. Here are some examples of prompts you can use with ChatGPT. I mean, this is like having a personal assistant. But there's a twist. What if I tell you that you don't even need to write the prompts yourself? Because now we got AI autocomplete. Yes, you heard that right. Now AI can actually predict what you're going to ask and give you the answers right away. This is insane. It's like having a personal AI assistant who knows exactly what you need before you even ask. And the best part is, you don't have to write anything. I mean, just look at this. It's predicting what I'm going to say next. Like, how crazy is that? And the answers are spot on. I mean, look at this. It's like ChatGPT knows exactly what I'm thinking. I mean, look at this. It's crazy. Autocomplete is like having a personal AI assistant who knows exactly what you need before you even ask. Okay, moving on to no. 2, AI voiceover. So once you have your script ready, it's time to bring it to life with a professional AI voiceover. Now here's the thing. The power of AI, you can choose from a variety of accents and languages. It's like having a voice actor from anywhere in the world at your fingertips. Here's what's awesome. Can even change the voiceover language. Just imagine the possibilities. Imagine creating videos that connect with a global audience. People from different countries and cultures can understand and enjoy your content. It's a game changer. So you might be wondering, how can I do this? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you one of the most exciting AI tools out there. Drumroll, please. Meet Replica Studios. It's a platform that lets you create realistic AI voices in over 75 languages. Here's the deal. You can get started for free. Yeah, that's right. Free. Simply create an account and you're good to go. So, how does it work? Well, let me walk you through the steps. First, log into your Replica account and head over to Studio Creator. Now you'll see the option to upload your script. Once your script is uploaded, select the voice you want. They got a bunch of options. Then pick the language and even customize the speaking style. You can make it fast, slow, excited, casual, polite, or a little bit dramatic. And if you want to add some background music, you can do that too. When you're happy with your voiceover, download it and you're done. It's that easy. What's really cool is that you can even create your own custom voice. All you need to do is record a few minutes of audio and let AI do the rest. It's like having a personal voice actor. Now, here's the fun part. Let's dive into some examples. We got the classic warm and friendly American voice. Oh yeah, then there's the confident British voice. Ah, very sophisticated. And how about a little Italian flair? Bella. And if you prefer something a bit more mysterious, check out the German voice. Now these are just a few options. The possibilities are endless, but that's not all. You can also create voices in other languages. For example, let's try Hindi, shuru, kart, hain, or maybe a little French bonjour. And if you want to get fancy, how about Arabic salam alaikum? The best part is you can preview your voiceover before downloading. And here's a neat trick. If you're not 100% satisfied with your voiceover, you can even request a revision. It's like having a personal voiceover artist at your service. Moving on to number 3, AI subtitles. So here's the deal. If you want to reach a wider audience, especially those who are deaf or hard of hearing, you got to add subtitles. And guess what? AI has got your back. These AI-powered subtitles can save you tons of time. Check this out. Here's an example. Simply copy your voiceover and paste it into the app and boom, it generates captions in real time. It's like magic. It's quick, it's accurate, and it's super easy to use. And here's another tool worth checking out. This one's great for adding subtitles to your videos. What's cool is that it supports over 120 languages. It's perfect for creating multilingual subtitles. And here's a pro tip. Use subtitles to highlight important points in your video. It helps keep viewers engaged and it makes your content more accessible. Here's a quick summary of everything we've covered. You can use AI scripting tools like ChatGPT to generate high-quality scripts that are tailored to your needs. Then you can create realistic and engaging voiceovers using Replica Studios. And finally, you can add subtitles to your videos with the help of AI captioning tools. You know what's awesome? These tools are completely free to use. Yeah, you heard that right, free. You can start creating amazing content without spending a dime. So why wait? Give it a try today and see how much you can grow your channel. Wrapping it up, let's take a moment to appreciate the impact of AI in our lives. From generating scripts to creating voiceovers and even providing subtitles, AI is revolutionizing the way we create and consume content. It's incredible how these tools can help us break down language barriers and connect with audiences worldwide. So embrace the power of AI and let your creativity soar. Don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe for more epic tips. See you in the next one. Peace.